Uh-oh, you might be feeling a little pressure to get that book out, maybe by yourself, maybe by others, maybe by a partner or a spouse who just wants it done. Don't get caught up in the RTP, the rush to publish. If you do, whatever you're coming out with is going to have a bunch of mistakes. And yeah, mistakes, most of them can be fixed with reprinting, redoing, re-editing, fill in the blank. But don't get caught in the rush to publish. Make sure your book feels right. Now, I don't want you to get it caught up in perfectionism too, because a lot of people never get published because they're stuck on, one for the money, two for the show, two for the show, two for the show, because they never can get past, oh my God, there's going to be a typo here. You'll live. You can always come back and fix it. But with this, the rush to publish is where a lot of people get caught up with the wrong people. It's the wrong fit. They don't get the work done that they want to get done. So to avoid it, you got to start learning. Recognize that this is a business. Publishing is a business. There is a profit and loss statement to it. There are ongoing expenses to it. There is solid marketing to it because your book is a product. Start learning. Pay attention. Recently, we were at a bookstore and one of my clients said, I'm coming. And I said, well, great. She says, I'm coming to study what you do with these 10 authors you're featuring at the Barnes & Noble this weekend. And she was there taking notes. She was taking pictures at display. She was looking at how the different authors were interacting with customers when they came up to talk to them about their books. She was doing her pre-work because she wants to do bookstore signings. What's in your pre-work wallet? What do you need to do to get ready for the publication, the marketing, the shouting out about your book? Don't rush to get there until you learn some of these things in the process. I'm Judith Briles, the Book Shepherd. Please share our tips with others. Follow our podcast, Author You, Your Guide to Book Publishing. Follow me on Twitter at MyBookShepherd, and certainly Facebook. Join the group, ask questions, share your news. Share your news at Judith Briles Book Publishing.